There's been a lot of interest in this video where I edited down a full day's worth of footage of Vice President Joe Biden having his hands in a fairly inappropriate manner all over the bodies of multiple children. It's not just that one girl they tried to kiss, the daughter of Senator Chris Coons, who, by the way, told Fox News or another media outlet that his daughter wasn't actually creeped out. That's just how things seemed. Now, actually, he looked pretty pissed when he looked at his daughter. He looked really disappointed in her for disobeying an order. There's a number of young women there that clearly have been commanded by their parents to act in a certain way. But if you look at the comment section on my video, you have, oh, that's creepy, what a and that's fine. You also have people defending Joe Biden. That's also interesting to see. But things need to be in the proper context. Joe Biden clearly is forcing these senators into a role they're playing, where in a ritualistic manner, instead of sacrificing their firstborn or lastborn on an altar, this is the modern day and age. It's a ritual that's changed up just a little bit, where it's almost as if they're offering Joe Biden their children. Because you got to understand what kind of government we're in, how many wars are being started, and what is about to come for the future of the United States. Some people finding this video are just flabbergasted. They're shocked. A lot of them don't understand that there's a new world order, there's a global government, that these people are involved in wholesale genocide. They're just responding by, oh my God, what a creepo. It's more than that. It's being done in your friggin' face. And if you look at the history of Joe Biden doing these things, there are other circumstances. At the last swearing in, several years ago, it was a reverse. He had his hands all over the grandmothers, not the kids. Okay, so one event, it's about the grandmothers, and kissing them, having his hands all over them. A couple years later, he's got his hands all over the little girls. A couple months later, a month later, the recent news, he's got his hand all over the wife of a senator. Rather, instead of a senator, the head of the Pentagon. Now, that's significant. The war chief, the Pentagon chief. You look at all these illegal and immoral wars going on. These people are clearly blackmailed. There are many people in this country that know about some of these people are involved in pedophilia, child sex trafficking, some could even say sacrifice. But without going too deep into that world, we know that there are many stories that do exist about what these people are like behind closed doors. Many people now know about Jimmy Savile in the UK and his relationship with the royal family. There are many people out there that know about the Vatican and so many other crimes. So it's important that people understand that this goes in hand with power, with the sense of, if not absolute power, quite a bit of power. And Obama and Joe Biden, neither of which are masterminds of the New World Order. They're just playing their part right now in this theater. So for those of you that voted for either of these folks, that think that this is just some sort of random event that's isolated, you got another thing coming. This is not random. This is not isolated. And they're not being caught doing anything. They're doing this in front of us. I mean, think about that. They don't have to do that in front of us. They can do this behind closed doors. It's like we're being conditioned to seeing women grope like this. And it's a bad message to, it's coming at a time where 50 Shades of Grey is being released. And it's coming at a time where our youth are being sexualized more and more in these sex ed classes. And it's coming at a time where a lot of different social engineering projects and programs are taking place at the same time to condition men and women of all ages. So now we're conditioned to seeing world leaders with their hands around children. Very interesting. It's going to be very interesting to see where this conditioning process of the public that is viewing this spectacle, it's going to be interesting to see where it goes. Be aware of all those commentators that are saying that this is normal, people like David Pakman and others, and be aware at how many media outlets think that this is almost cute. Be aware, take a look at the commentators, how many people think this is cute, and how many people might think that Joe Biden is more worthy of respect from them instead of less. It is very important to see the psychological impact of this pedophilia-like imagery. This is not normal behavior for American families to get together and have one person have his hands all over. I mean, this is the type of stuff that leads to someone being molested. But the greater reality of this situation, to recenter it here and close, is that they want you to see it. And you can be shocked all you want, but if you're continuously shocked with the same stimulus and you don't know what's going on, then it's more than likely that some people will just get used to it. They are obviously showing their true nature, and that they obviously want people used to this, and they're not trying to hide it. And Joe Biden has a history of this behavior, from having his hands all over the grandmothers to the kids, to now having his hands all over the wife for 28 seconds. Hands around the neck, hands around the head, hands around the arms. It's all highly sensual. It's all highly sexual. So be aware of that. Don't be a fool. This is all by design to condition us to the imagery of people offering up the vice president, president, anyone in power, offering up their child like it's some sort of mock satanic ritual sacrifice. I'm Alex Ansary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.